Hello beautiful people, join in, let's make this flawless buns together. First of all, you're going to put 2 cups of flour in a bowl, followed by 2 tablespoons of sugar. Remember, what are you doing? Go in. Then we're going to put 1 teaspoon of baking powder, give that a very good mix. You will now put in 1 large egg. When I say large, I mean large egg, okay? Then you're going to put 1 cup of lukewarm water. Give it a very good mix. Mix it until you can mix no more. I'm just joking. I mean, mix until all your ingredients incorporate so well, okay? Then it's now time to fry. If you don't have a butter dispenser, I have a good news. Can you see what Jemima used here? This is what I used. Please, I have a butter dispenser, okay? But this is for the benefit of those people who have been asking me, Chef Jemmy, please, can you give me this recipe? Chef Jemmy, I tried. My own did not come out well. Chef Jemmy, Chef Jemmy. Oh, yeah, I have done it. Can you see? You just cut the under of the bottle, okay? Grease your bottle with vegetable oil so your butter doesn't stick to the bottle when you are trying to press out, okay, or when you're trying to dispense it into the vegetable oil. And please, I want to talk about the heat, okay? Don't allow your oil to overheat before you start frying your buns, else the buns is gonna burn and the inside of your buns will not fry very well, okay? So these are some of the common mistakes I want to point out and the things that y'all have been complaining about. Chef Jamie, my own is not browning. Chef, my own are brown. You see my own is brown. It's turning brown. So just stick to all the recipes. Everything I have said, okay, with the measurements and all. If you're not clear about any part, you can do well to ask me in the comment section and I will be more than excited, okay, to answer. Guys, I had to make this video late in the night, but I told myself, Jemima, you have to be the woman of your word. If you have said something, do it. So yeah, I got the opportunity to make this recipe and I'm so excited that I brought it your way. Thank you, my beautiful people, for watching this short video, okay? If you have not liked the video, come on, go like the video. If you are yet to subscribe to this amazing channel and you will not get disappointed. I am going to be seeing you in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.